Today we're going to be making our first video, and we're going to make a super easy pulled pork with our Misco Mountain Flavor Company No BS rub. So we're going to use a little bit of habanero infused olive oil. If you don't like spicy, you can use your regular olive oil or even some mustard just to make the rub stick a little better. So let's get that coated up first. You want to make sure you get every last inch of it. Again, this is a super simple, easy recipe. Pretty much anybody can do it. Alright, we have that on there. Open up our No BS seasoning. We want as much of this on here as we can get to stick. It's a big piece of meat, so the more the better. Smoker's getting all warmed up there. All right, beautiful. I like to put mine in a pan with the fat side up because the pan, looks like we can get a little bit more on there. The pan will protect the meat from burning a little bit, just like the fat does, and that fat makes it beautiful, great tasting pork. All right. Good to go. Now over here we got the smoker warming up. And in the smoker, I like to keep it as far off the heat as possible. So I use one of our grill baskets here, just sitting on the grate, and we'll throw that in there. Be probably roughly 12 hours, 210 degrees, 210 to 220 up until the internal temperature gets just over 200, and we'll be good to go. All right. All done. That'll work. Right apart, nice and tender. Good seasoning. Delicious. Take just a little bit of juice, add it back in.